Hot, humid summer temps can have many adverse effects, especially on your vehicle, including, but not limited to, overheating, tire blowouts, and battery issues. Higher temperatures can cause your engine to run hotter than normal, which can increase the risk of overheating. So, it's a good idea to ensure your fluids are not only topped off, but are in good condition so they can do their job properly. Heat and humidity also take a toll on your car's AC system, so if you want to stay cool this summer, make sure it's running at peak performance and address any issues before they get worse. Tires are also subject to damage when exposed to extreme heat because the rubber can weaken and degrade. Plus, there's a correlation between hotter temperatures and increased tire pressure, which could lead to tire failure or blowouts, so keep an eye on the PSI. Your battery's electrolytes are also susceptible to evaporation from hotter temps, which means it would be wise to monitor the health of it and stay on top of any potential problems. To help prepare your vehicle for this summer and every summer going forward, bring it to the experts at Russ Darrow Direct. We can give your vehicle a thorough inspection and help you stay on top of things to make sure your summer goes exactly as you planned it. To reach our service team, call 920-731-1300 or stop by at your convenience.